Hi everyone, I'm Maple, representative of Green Pharma for their active ingredient. Let's meet Corinne. She loves trendy lifestyle, including luxury ingredients. And like all women at her age, Corinne struggles to find the right skincare to prevent skin aging. Like everyone, she is living her daily lifestyle, which exposing to free radicals are unavoidable. This worries her because she observed that she starts to have saggy skin and wrinkles that appearing rapidly on her skin. But don't worry, Green Pharma found a solution. The product name Dumaflorine from black tulip, or can be known as the Night Queen. Green Pharma team found that black tulip consists of astragalin and propylene, which ables to block the aldose reductase receptors that leads to skin aging. Besides astragalin and propylene, there are other similar molecules that found to have the same molecular activity. Here are the proven efficacy by ex vivo tests, explant tests, in vivo tests, or clinical studies. First, we are going to talk about ex vivo tests. Ex vivo test proves that Dumaflorine is able to increase dermal strength by 70% even in oxidative environment exposure. With a very low dose of Dumaflorine, there are significant improvement of the epidermis function, which is similar to the transforming growth factor beta. Dumaflorine increased dermal structure strengthening by increasing the synthesis of fibrillin, elastin, and venamin, which are essential for connective tissues. There are a few methods that proves Dumaflorine's increased hyaluronic acid network stimulating. Second, explant test on a protein expression on human explant epidermis from a 65-year-old woman. These are all tissue specimens of the explant culture under UV exposure. The blue arrows indicate collagen 6 in the superficial dermis, while yellow arrows indicate collagen 6 in the dermal epidermal function. As observed in this figure, the skin treated by Dumaflorine has shown increase of collagen 6 production. Here are the quantitative study presentation. All skin samples are exposed to UV. As a result, total collagen quantity, glycosaminoglycan, collagen 6, and fibronectin has increased significantly. Lastly, in vivo test, which is clinical studies on skin appearance. The graph shows that the volume of the oval face decreased by 15.4%. The quantitative results have been supported by an image of a subject from the first day of Dumaflorine application to day 28. This is an example of volume distribution on the oval face. After 28 days of Dumaflorine application, the oval face decreased. Nasolabial fold wrinkles surface area decreased by 33.7%, and nasolabial fold wrinkles length decreased by 3.1%. After 28 days of Dumaflorine application, significant results can be observed, such as improvement of the skin firmness and smoothness, while in the contrary, relaxation of the oval face, wrinkles, roughness, and pore dilation had significantly decreased. Skin tiredness had been decreased by 4.8%. RO and R3 are two different parameters of the skin that have been taken into measurement. After all of the supporting data of Dumaflorine, here are the key messages. Decreased oxidative stress, decreased saggy, wrinkle and tired skin, increased collagen 6, glycosaminoglycan and fibronectin. Lastly, strengthened dermal structures and barrier function. Dumaflorine can be used as a day cream for its antioxidant properties, and night cream for its lifting effects properties. Last but not least, Dumaflorine carries a beautiful natural anthocyanin pigment. Dumaflorine has Cosmos Approved Certificate, Natural Origin Content Certificate, and China Approved. We would suggest to add Dumaflorine to the emulsion during the cooling process. Finally, Corinne found a product that have oxidative shield functions and lifting effects. Woohoo! She felt protected anytime and anywhere. If there's any question, please email me at maple.pua@greenpharma.com. You may request for a free sample. Thank you. Bye. Take care.